The next generation of voters may ignore formal politics, the Electoral Reform Society, ERS, has said. Its report, published 3 days from the general election, said Wales faces a turnout time bomb, although young voters' belief in democracy is high. ERS Cymru calls for a lower voting age, radical overhaul of politics teaching in schools and a louder voice for young people in Welsh public life. Around 52% of under 24s voted in 2010, compared to 65% of all eligible. This was an improvement on the record low of 38% in 2005, but ERS Cymru warns the long-term trend is one of decline. In 1964 young voters turned out in roughly the same proportion as voters of all ages, 77%, but since 1997 they have been notably less likely to vote than older people. Director Steve Brooks called on the new Parliament to immediately devolve power over the voting age to Wales, so AMS can get on and make changes in time for next year's Assembly elections. The Welsh Government needs to radically overhaul how politics is taught in schools, he said. Mr. Brooks also called on the Welsh Government to set up an independent National Youth Assembly for Wales and reverse its decision to withdraw funding from Funky Dragon.